sharp voice, not asking but telling me, well, isn't the UN totally irrelevant? Yeah? And what is the UN act? Does it really still deliver on the ground? And it's really to keeping the best here, because in New York, yeah, we in theory do multilateralism. Yeah, we pass resolutions with many of us really from the bottom of our heart: peace and security, sustainable development, and human rights. But implementation, this has to happen on the ground. And this is where Nairobi plays an important place, having also different agencies here with us today. UNESCO, I was with UN Habitat, also another part of the capital for the recycling facility, because implementing not only the principles of peace and security, but Agenda 2030, the SDGs, speaking with young people there who were unemployed and saying a right of housing, a right to employment, these are human rights, and this is the noblest work we can do. And as the UN is under pressure from outside, unfortunately by some member states, and questions, for me it was also as the second important point to show that we are better together. We can only, Habitat, UNESCO and others can only work together, but also governments worldwide can only work together with the people. Because we serve the people and we have to learn from the people. And when the UN is under attack, I did a very big speech at the beginning of the year. The world needs the UN, but at this moment the UN needs the world. It needs a cross-regional alliance to defend the principles, peace and security, development, and human rights. And we have to tell the good stories, because you know better than I, in your region we have horrible wars and conflicts going on in Sudan, we have it in Europe, with Ukraine, we have Gaza, we have so many more. So every day we can say we are not doing enough. But on the same day, every day, the UN, the international family, is saving lives.